Hey, welcome everybody. Brian here from EV Sportline, coming to you today from our Atlanta headquarters, and I've got this beautiful Hummer EV pickup truck, and I'm excited to show you a new product. Right back here, this is our Low Pro RMaxx soft tonneau cover made specifically for the Hummer EV pickup truck. This is a great bolt-on installation, no drilling, no screwing, it bolts on. And what's cool about this as a low pro style tonneau cover is that the rails sit inside the bed, not on top of these outer rails. So when you open up the tonneau cover, you really give up no height on top of this thing. It's really a slick install. Easy DIY, install this at home. With one hand, you can operate this tonneau cover, roll it up or roll it back and seal it up whenever you need it. All right, everybody. Hope you like this video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. We got a lot more Hummer EV products coming your way.